What? Can you touch him? Can you touch that grasshopper? Come on. Look. Come here. Touch him.
What do you think I should sell those chairs for?
Shh. Touch him. Touch him. Go on, you can get him. Look. Look, he's coming down for you. Touch him, Wyatt. No, touch him. Look, he's gonna jump. Oh, he fell. He's kind of dumb. Why? Can you touch him? Go on. Wyatt. Okay. Yeah, he's down there. Here, watch. Ready? Oh, he jumped. Boom! Oh, there he is. You gotta touch him. Come here. Daddy will help you. All right, ready? Ready? Let's go touch him. Ah! You touched him. Wyatt. You touched him. You seem unimpressed. Oh! He jumped. Wyatt, did he jump? Did he jump? Yeah. You want to see him jump some more? Okay, touch him. No. I know, that's a hole in the screen. Thanks for pointing that out. Hey, hey, hey. Touch the bug. Touch the grasshopper. All right, ready? Look, Daddy has him. Look, he's on Daddy's hand. Look. No? You want to touch him? Oh! He jumped away. Come on, touch him. I know you want more, but you gotta poke him. Here. 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 Come on. Oh! Uh-oh, he landed on your head. He's literally on your head, Wyatt. Oh. Wyatt, he's on your head. He's on your head. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. He's gone. Look, there he is. There he is. See? He's right there. Yeah, he was on your head. How about that? How about that? Yeah, I know. He jumped on you. Yeah, I better sit down. That was stressful. You better sit down, huh? Yeah. Yes, he was on your head. Yep. Yeah, he was on your head. Weird, huh? You didn't like that, did you? Oh, let's take a video and see what Mama's doing. Oh, yeah. Hey, I'll help you down.